Hello everyone, welcome to Dashboard. Today we are going to see extensions used for React.js in vscode. Okay, first one. First one is bracket pair colorizer. By copying this, I am going to Visual Studio Code. And I click extension, and here I paste the bracket pair colorizer. First one is the extension. I already installed. If you are not installed, click install. Okay, I will show you the example how it will work. It make the different bracket colors, starting ending will be the same, and inside the brackets it will be colors will be very like this. Did you see? Yeah, it's use of this bracket to identify the brackets. If you write 1000 lines of code, easily understand where it will close and where it will start. Okay, second one is auto close tag. I copy this, I am going to the extension and I paste it here. First one, yeah, this also I already installed. I am going to code. Yeah, I will show you the demo. Auto close tag mean use of auto close tag is, if I type here button, I will click greater than symbol, it automatically closed. I will click another tag h1. I will just press greater than symbol, it automatically closed that tag. Okay, and next one is auto rename tag. Yeah, here also I already installed. I'm going to the code. Here I going to edit this button. I just click back button, it's automatically closed front and back tags also, starting tag and ending tag also. This is the use of auto rename tag. Another one is EsLint. I'm going to the extension and I paste it, and I search it. Here also I already installed. Its use of this extension, it's make more consistency and also reducing the bugs. That's why we use this. And another tag is s7. It's also used for React.js. Here also I already installed. Last one is Prettier. Type Prettier in extension and search, click enter. After that click install. I already installed. After you install Prettier, go to settings and search Prettier code formatter. In default formatter, click. Initially it will be in none. You will select Prettier code formatter. Okay, after that I go app.jss. Okay, click view and comment palette. In the format document, click this gear button, gear icon. Here you will give some shortcuts. Here I will give Ctrl S. If you want give anything, I click edit pencil icon, and here I give Ctrl S and click enter. Okay, here code is not arranged. I click Ctrl S. Yeah, it will be arranged. Thank you.